Welcome back. Panji police has cracked a case related with fake currency cartel. Police has arrested 4 accused following a lead from a lady gang member of this very gang, arrested on 9th November. Police also seized 29 counterfeit notes of 1000 rupee notes. Panji court has taken 5 days police remand for these 4 accused.
Panji police on Sunday evening arrested 4 accused, namely Yusuf Sheikh, Jinar ul Haq, Mohammad Mansoob and Abdur Rahim Sheikh from a hotel in Margaon. Police searched the belongings of the accused and found 29 counterfeit notes of 1000 denomination in their possession. Later, accused were produced before the JMFC court in Panji. All accused have been remanded to 5 days police custody.
So our Panjim police raided that place and caught these 4 persons. And from their possession we found another 29 such forged counterfeit currency notes, which amounts to around 29,000. So we have arrested those 4 people also, and we have obtained a remand of 5 days. They are in our police custody now.
Gang was busted following a lead from an arrested lady gang member Tazmeera Sheikh. She was arrested on 9th January from Panji Municipal Market area. She was arrested with 4 counterfeit notes of 1000 denomination.
One person came to meet that lady when she was in custody. So PI Panjim put our plainclothes policemen to follow that person who had come to see her. And this person led us to a hotel named Raviraj in Margaon. And where in the hotel we found another 4 persons.
All accused are natives of West Bengal and had come to Goa on 9th November. Police is now investigating their links to crack down the real source of the fake notes. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Dinesh Karpe.
Supreme Court appointed E-Committee is totally depending upon the state government for beginning of e-auctioning of the extracted iron ore. Committee held a meeting at the Secretariat with Mines Department to verify the modalities for e-auctioning. Committee said that there is no time frame for e-auctioning of the ore. Delegation related to mining industry met E-Committee, but committee told them to meet state government. Meanwhile, the mining department has entrusted the Goa Electronics Limited to devise a software to keep a track of ore quantity.
Supreme Court appointed E-Monitoring Committee held a meeting with the state government officials on Monday. Committee discussed various modalities with regards to e-auctioning of the extracted iron ore, transparency in transportation of ore, vehicle tracking system for trucks and barges were also on the agenda. State government informed E-Committee about the trip sheet, rules and regulations of transportation of minerals. Member of E-Committee UV Singh informed that there is no time limit for the beginning of e-auctioning of the extracted ore. Process will begin only after state completes all the required formalities.
We are completely depending on the state government.
Okay, so state government has to make
State government are making their efforts to start it as early.
But they have submitted a report now. You accepted that report?
Which report?
The 7th
Re-verification of
over verification report on jetties.
That is the ongoing process. They have submitted a report? No, I am telling you that it is ongoing process. What the report they have submitted, we had been yesterday. You have seen some of these.
So modalities have been decided. Modalities for the e-auctioning.
It is, I am making it very again and again, it is a ongoing process. As that is, you see, they are making the preparations, we are evaluating each and everything. There is nothing like this at a time finalizations and all that.
Yeah.
When the finalization will be done, it will be known to you.
And the time limit has been spent.
E-auctioning will be possible in January, at the end of January.
We are not able to say that one, because it is up to the state.
UV Singh did not disclose whether committee will be able to submit its report before the Supreme Court by 15 February.
No, any time limit will be set by the committee itself, as early as possible. As early.
So it will be before 5:15 because you have to submit a report to Supreme
Court. Time limit, we are not.
Meanwhile, representatives of mining companies, barge owners and truck owners met e-auctioning committee. Committee asked them to meet the government with their grievances. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas.
Congress smells rat in Modi's mining lease auction policy. State GPCC President Jan14 claimed that auction of mining leases will boost companies like Adani and Reliance Group from Gujarat. Fernandes says Modi did not address crucial issues like dual citizenship.
Speaking on the behalf of the workers, the workforce of Goa, which is lying idle. And if this is done, if Ambanis and Adanis come to Goa, then the people of Goa may be lying idle, the workers of the mining.
Do you think traditional families should continue mining in Goa and nobody else should continue?
No, not at all. They should not be displaced. More people should come, but they should... No. The workers, the mining workers who are traditional workers of this state should not be displaced. Mr. Pariyakar shouted from the rooftops again in Goa that he will take up the issue of dual nationality of Goans with his prime ministerial candidate. But yesterday we heard Mr. Modi, he has maintained golden silence on the issue. We are supposed to meet His Excellency the Governor on the matter of Kankona issue, where we have demanded a judicial inquiry.
आज त्या सभे भितर आमी पळयला की थंय बुरख्या घालून बायलां आसलेलीं
मनीस आसले.
बायलां पळोवपा बायलां न्ही ती सगळीं, पण ती बायलां न्ही मनीस आसलेले भितर. शर्मत रायतुरकार जो आहा लोकमतान पेपरार हाडलेले आनी फोटो काडून की थंयचे जे बुरखे आहात ते शर्मत रायतुरकार कडल्यान RSSच्या कार्यकर्त्या कडेन पावयतात. हे हर एक बुरखेवाल्या भितर RSSचो कार्यकर्तो आसलेलो.
Goa is not interested in carrots of special status. Aam Aadmi Party leader Dr. Oscar Rebello has slammed BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi for dangling such carrots. AAP says BJP should get the regional plan enforced in the state to protect Goa's culture and heritage. AAP also said that Modi believes in Hitler and is a habitual liar. AAP leader Dinesh Waghela criticized Modi over not appointing Lokayukta for 11 years in Gujarat.
पण आमचो स्टेटस जो आसा पळय तो सारको जमनीच्या पोंदाक पावला. सो ते बदलपाक आमी समजून घेवपा जाय आनी ह्या सरकारा कडेन परत परत आमी विनंती करतात की आमचो प्रादेशीक आराखडो पळय तो आसा पळय तो काडात म्हणून. खंय कितली जमीन इको सेन्सिटीव झोन, खंयची शेतां, खंयची इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज, खंयचे इको टुरिजमाक सांग पुणी लोकांक खंय 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 कितें जावपाचें आसा पळय. अदरवायज इट्स अ डॅम फ्री फॉर ऑल. And anybody with money, and particularly unaccounted money, runs riot in the state of Goa. And I think that is what is the anger. So just do this much and stop giving us these kind of false assurances of special status and such other terms of protecting identity.
हिटलर उनके आदर्श पुरुष है. हिटलर भी बहुत अच्छे वक्ता थे. मोदी जी भी आज अपने इस वक्तृत्व का उपयोग करके बार बार झूठ बोल के 10 साल तक गुजरात में लोकायुक्त की स्थापना उन्होंने नहीं होने दी, क्योंकि यदि लोकायुक्त गुजरात में होता, भले वो कमजोर है, निकम्मा है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ न कुछ तो चीजें बाहर आती.
मोदीन म्हणले आपणे थंयच्यो तागेल्यो ज्यो सँडस्टोन मायन्स आहात त्यो दिवपा खातीर ऑक्शन करपा खातीर सेंटरा मागिल्ले म्हणून. ते सेंटरान एलाव केलें ना म्हूण ताका. जो कायदो एक्झिस्टींग आसा त्या कायद्याचेरूच state government is empowered to auction it. They don't have to go to the center.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.